Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757. Admission open for playgroup, pre-nursery and nursery. Angels Play School, Upper Lachimia, Shillong. Contact 98635-67162 or 600-9322-457.
Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage hagan do trik leber atar postan. Klapen kuburam ki hindrungun ki rupa kma jang jela. Kintop be kowe ke seng tremon ngobha. Blano Synñiang shu sub utiar jangka ke Imlang ke Sahlang ling baki kam gi jongki. Haga jingalang ke balong hasti convention Shillong, Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage, klapen kuburam ke kong Pikaralin Wanshnong. Enong seng kam lajong, usunil bajoria ubekmi ke kama khyala bajoria charitable trust. Usamla redeem telang ublalong urang ilek ka jong kenhun football keri India ke Dr. Chayani ka Sarma ke samla airi kemenlang Shabang ke blong ken the khun kti u aje agarwala ublalong nong tremon ngobha ba kinthop ni ke Bharat Sevashram Sangha Shillong kini kisan ngut kiri shimet ba ke Bharat Sevashram Sangha Shillong la aida ka Khusnam la samdu principal secretary jong ko ka khya ka sarkar jilla usampat kumar ublalong ko mukong san rengkat ke jenelang jong ki nong sha khot ngobha lembe ke khot jong Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage.
Rotary has just celebrated 120 years of existence the last month only. So regarding that vocational service it is an important avenues of service in Rotary that calls every Rotarian to recognize the worthiness of all useful vocation. Vocational Excellence Award, it is designed to recognize individual or organization who has demonstrated immense contribution or selfless services to the community while maintaining a high ethical standard. This award, it is given worldwide annually and is one of that anyone should feel proud in accepting. We, the members of Rotary Club Sahlang Heritage, have selected 6 individuals and 1 organization from different vocations.
Excellence is important. Why we have to celebrate these things. Why we have to have organizations like a Rotary Club where, why we need such organizations who work with a motto that what they say, service above self, we need to do something, contribute back to the society because we have been given because of the society. So we have to give it back. It's not that we are giving any charity, honestly. It's actually the society that has given us these positions, the opportunities to serve people. I think it's a way we are giving it back. So this is coming back, the concept, I just want to share one important insight, the importance of cooperation. So there is I wanted to share this one. There is a historian, and a philosopher, Yuval Noah Harari. A lot of people must be reading about him. So he wrote a very interesting concept. He comes up with a very interesting concept in his book called Sapiens. The entire human beings, the way we could able to, conquer the world was essentially because these sapiens, they understood the concept of cooperation, helping each other, sharing responsibilities. So I think the concept of this cooperation is so important. I think we should never, more we cooperate with each other, more we actually serve others, the society will progress. I think this kind of a contribution from the civil society organizations, Rotary clubs, and this kind of an organizations would definitely benefit the state. And there is I think thanks for somebody who's actually reading out about my biodata, telling about myself. But I wanted to say something that most of the problems, the human problems, are very complex. So it requires a lot of collaborative efforts to solve those complex problems. I was just listening to each one of the work that what you have done. So it's a complex. For example, the entrepreneur, she has been actually, not only just like she's creating value for herself, but she's creating value for a lot of single mothers.